Hey guys, today we're going to install the ball mount for the Desktop Workstation. And for this, all you'll need is a 2mm Allen key and a 3mm Allen key, which is all supplied with this kit. So first of all, let's flip over your Fractal and take off this base plate. This is just the 4 screws that holds on the base and the silicon pad. And make sure you keep these screws because they're going to attach the actual base of the ball mount to the Fractal Vise. So once you've got those screws off, you can just simply remove the base and the silicon pad, which helps to grip the Fractal Vise to surfaces. So you can take this out, which is the base of the ball mount, and this replaces the normal base. So this just attaches straight to the bottom. So you can leave the Fractal Vise in this position and simply put that over there, drop your screws straight in the holes. And then again, using the Allen key, just nip those up. And then all I need is just a slight turn just to make sure they're nice and tight. So once you have that base on, you can take out the actual ball itself, and then you need your 3mm Allen key, and there's a grip screw that's in the side. All you need to do is back that off a 1/4 turn, and that will free up enough room for the flat of the ball mount to simply slide in. So before you do that, you want to take the actual midsection of this assembly and pass the ball through it in this orientation. So the ball should look like this. And then drop the stem and the flat. Make sure the flat is facing the grip screw. And you can simply look through the assembly to make sure it's facing the right way. And then once it's in that orientation, simply tighten it up. And then turn your Allen key over just to make sure you can get enough leverage to tighten the whole assembly up. We've opted for a slightly larger grub screw than the rest of the assemblies because it gives a nice positive grip on that. Okay, that's our Allen keys done. So the next step is simply turn the Fractal Vise over and bring the midsection up to meet the internal thread on the Fractal Vise, and simply screw them together. And that is a fully assembled ball mount for Desktop Workstation. Now, to use this assembly effectively, it's good to actually use the leverage of the Fractal Vise to find your position once it's in its loose mode, and then use the leverage of the Fractal Vise to pull into it to fully lock that up. You can hold on to the two brass components here to get the leverage on this component, and then use the Fractal Vise to tighten up the whole assembly. That will give the best, most positive lock. And then you're ready to go.